Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about OnePlus 10 Pro flagship smartphone.
Really bad habit, if it moves gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind.
The OnePlus 10 Pro is the company's rearmost decoration flagship device. The smartphone offers detailed pictures and smooth images. With a strong processing configuration and a big 8GB RAM, it continues the OnePlus heritage. Likewise, a 5000 mAh battery with 80W super flash charging enables long-term use. Camera and display. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protects the OnePlus 10 Pro's huge 6.7-inch bezel-less front screen from accidental cascade. The device's AMOLED screen, with a pixel viscosity of 526 ppi and a resolution of 1440 x 3216 pixels, pledges appealing images. It also has a 209 aspect rate and a 120 Hz refresh rate. On the rear, OnePlus has a triplex camera set up with a 48MP f1.8 primary camera, a 50MP f2.2 ultra-wide-angle lens, and an 8MP f2.4 telephoto camera with over to 2x optic zoom. ISO control, digital zoom, LED flash, autofocus, face detection, and auto flash are all included in the rear camera arrangement. On the front, there's a 32MP f2.4 primary camera. Battery and configuration. The OnePlus 10 Pro is equipped with a 4nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and a whopping 8GB of RAM. There's also an Adreno 730 GPU and an Octa-core 3GHz single-core, 2.5 GHz tri-core, and 1.8 GHz quad-core processing configuration within. A 5000 mAh Li-ion battery is included with the smartphone. The non-replaceable cell can also be charged using 80W super flash charging. Storage and connectivity. From a storage standpoint, the OnePlus 10 Pro comes with a 128GB non-expandable storage option. Mobile GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 5.2, NFC, USB Type-C, and 5G are among the connectivity options available. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.